Videos like this are getting tens of millions of views. And the crazy part? They're actually super easy to make. Let me show you how. Step 1. Prepare the prompts. So basically, to create this AI mechanical transformation video, you only need 3 prompts. One for the image before, one for the image after, and one for the video itself. To make things easier, I've already prepared everything for you on my website, so you don't have to think too much about it. Just check the link in the description and grab the prompts from there. Step 2. Generate the before image. All right, now we start with the before image. Head over to my website and take the image before prompt. Before you use it, just replace the target animal or object with anything you want. For example, I'm going to use an eagle here. After that, copy the updated prompt. Next, open Google Flow using the link in the description, then click Create with Flow and log in with your Google account. Once you're inside, switch to image generation. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16 and use 4 batch generations, so you get multiple options to choose from. For the model, pick Nano Banana 2. Now, just paste your prompt, hit generate, and wait a few seconds. You'll get 4 different results, and from there, you can simply pick the one you like the most. Step 3. Generate the after image. Now, let's turn that into a mechanical version. Go back to my website and copy the image after prompt. Then make sure you're using the exact same animal or object as before so the transformation stays consistent. Back in Google Flow, tap the plus button and select the before image you just created as a reference. Then paste the new prompt. Keep all the settings the same as before and hit generate again. In a few seconds, you'll get another set of results. Just take your time, look through them, and choose the one that looks the best to you. Step 4. Turn it into a video. And now, this is where everything comes together. Start by copying the video prompt from my website. Then switch over to video generation in Google Flow. Set it to frames mode. Use a 9:16 aspect ratio, keep the batch at 1, and choose the VO 3.1 fast model. After that, upload your before image as the start frame and your after image as the end frame. Once that's set, paste your video prompt and hit generate. Give it a few minutes to process. And just like that, your mechanical transformation video is ready. And yeah, this is literally the same method people are using to rack up millions of views right now. So what are you going to transform first?